Hello everyone, welcome to the FINSforce, the only dedicated channel for financial services cloud. In today's video, we are going to learn what is household, what is group account, what is person account, and how you can create the financial account for individual or any company. So without any delay, let's get started. So first, whenever you go to the financial services cloud and click on the new account, you will see these three options like a household, business, and a person account. So we will go more deep and understand what is household and what is the business account. So first, let's start with understanding what is account. Account is nothing but any company information holding in a particular object. So if you are into Salesforce ecosystem for longer, you have started, you might know we have a account object where you can store the information. So in the account, we will store the information about particular company. Let's say for the example, Amazon. So we will store the Amazon company name as account name, then their company address into the account address, their contact information, official contact information into the account object. So this is how you can store the information of a company into the account. Now, second, those individual who is working on for the Amazon, their employees information will be stored into the contact because we can't store an individual person information into a company account. So we should know that for Amazon, how many employees are working. So who are representing Amazon when dealing with the any bank. So this is a contact where we will store the employee personal information like their mobile number, their contact ID, their email address, similar kind of information we will store into the contact. Okay, so next we will have the person account. So now for any bank or for any company, right? There might be a situation that customer is not belong to any company. He is the individual. He came as an individual customer. So for storing those information of that individual customer, we will store into the person account. So what is person account? Person account is nothing but the combination of account and the contact fields. So it is treated as a account also, and it is treated as a contact also. We will see that in our demo. So whenever you wanted to store the information of individual who is not associated with any company, you will store into the person account. So by default, person account is not enabled. You have to enable it. And once you enable it, you will not able to, to disable the person account setting into your Salesforce org. Okay. So, what is household account? Household account is a more crucial object to understand because so many features of financial services cloud is depend on the household account, and this is very easy but very complex to understand. Uh, the household account. So, what is household? Household is nothing. Uh, it represent your family. So let's say this is my family where you will have the grandpa, grandmother, my dad, mom, uncle, and cousins, and my sister and brothers are there. So these all are living in under one roof, and they belongs to a one family. That family is called the Verma family. Now in financial services cloud, we will call them as a Verma household. So family is equal to the household. Now, this individual or this person will have some bought the financial product from the bank. So let's say for the my grandfather Ram Verma, he has the saving account, he has the credit card, he bought some loan. So they are the individual accounts for the Ram Verma. Now similarly for the Rohit Verma also have some saving, credit, and mutual fund accounts. And each and every individual, be it their brother, they have some education loan and had some investment. So all the information of this family member will be, collectively connect with the worm household. How they will connect? Using the account to contact relationship. So there is a record you need to create called account to contact relationship, where in the account you will select the Verma household, and the contact you have to select the person account, maybe the Rohit Verma, maybe the Ram Verma, and other persons. So once you click on the save, the Verma household and the whole family structure will be created. You have to create it one by one. For Rohit Verma, you have to create one account to contact relationship. For Ram Verma, you have to create the one account to contact relationship. We will see that in upcoming videos. Sorry, in upcoming demo. So this is how household will look like, and it is very essential because when you wanted to see that what is the net worth of a particular family, you can just go to that firm household account record and you can see the details of the individuals in that family, what are the businesses they are doing, what is their overall wealth, can be easily calculated and can be done via record by lookup features available in Financial Services Cloud. Now, those individual or a family having some business, like they have their family business, they own some non-profit organization, and they have some law firm also. And when I explain what is account is nothing, just representing any company or organization. Now this collectively become a group because they are working under one particular family, which is Verma household, so they will called as a group. Now, how they will connect? They will connect using account to account relationship with the Verma household. So let's say their non-profit organization will be selected as a one account, Verma household will be selected as a one account, and they individually connected with the Verma household using account to account relationship. And how the person will be connected using the account to contact relationship. Now we have to understand what is business account. Business account is nothing just similar what we have saw into the company account, but each some company also have their subsidiary accounts, like for example Meta has the Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and Thread. So Meta is the parent company and these are the child company for now. But so how we can maintain the relationship? We can do it via account to account relationship. Similarly, it was announced like a few years ago that Google will be the child company of the Alphabet. So Alphabet is the parent company and Google will be the child company, and they will connect it with the account to account relationship. So this is how the business account looks like. Now what is financial account? Financial, so many people ask me that what is the difference between account and a financial account. So now let's take an example of Rohit Verma. Rohit Verma right now holding one credit card, he has one loan account, he has some saving account, he invested in mutual fund. So right now, the Rohit Verma has bought a total 4 products from a bank. Means he has opened up the 4 accounts with that bank. Now these 4 accounts will be called as a financial account. So one account for the credit card, one financial account for the saving account. Third will be for the loan. Fourth will be for their investment they have done. And if they bought another product, so it will be stored as a different financial account. So Rohit Verma will be your person account, and the products he has bought will be your financial accounts. Why it is different? Because in financial account you will have the financial transaction, you will have the financial balance, you will store the financial addresses information. That's why it is stored differently for each and every product. Because fee, let's say when you apply for the loan, you might have to pay some fee. So fee might be different based on the product to product. For credit card, interest rate might be the different. That's why each and every product when a customer bought, it will store against a financial account. Now we'll go into the Salesforce and see in the real time how you can create the household, how you can create the financial account, how the balance will looks like in Financial Services Cloud. Okay, so now we will see how to create the household account. So first we will go to the retail banking app and we'll go to the accounts. In account we will see this recently view. So we will click on the new and we see three option: household, business, and the person account. So we will click on the household and then click on the next. Here we will give detail like the name, it will be Verma household, their phone number, the basic detail you can put it here. What is the type? They are the customer of the bank. What is the industry they belongs? It will be the financial industry, and we can put the address. So we'll click on the save. So we created the household for now. And if we go to the relationship tab, where you see this view which is showing that inside the Verma household how many members are there, what is the detail of that household, what are the related accounts and the account related to this household. So this is called the ARC component, which pre-built comes with the Financial Services Cloud, where you can see the 360 view of any household. Now we are going to create the persons, so person of the family. So we click on the person account, we click on the next, we click Mr. Rohit Verma, and the type is again the customer, industry will be the finance, and we click on the save. So we created the Rohit, then we will create another, let's say the Ravi Verma. So person account again, and then Mr. Ravi Verma we created, and click on the save. So now we created the household, we created two person account. If you go to the relationship, still they will not show because we have not mapped them. Now how we will map them is, we see it will be using the account to contact relationship. So you see into ARC component of members option is visible here. So you will click on this arrow, click on the add relationship, and Verma household is already there. What is the role of that individual in that family? We can select it from here. This can be the updated based on the requirement to requirement. So I will make him as a decision maker. What is the contact? So it will be the Rohit Verma. Is he primary member of that family? Yes. Should we include into the group? Yes. Is this household is his primary group? So we'll say the yes when he started. So we just put some random date for now, and we click on save and new. Now similarly we will look for the Ravi. So now he's we can see the technical buyer. Again, he is also primary member, include primary group, and click on the save. Now we hit the error because in one family only one primary member should be there. So we will remove this primary member and click on the save. And now if we go to the household, and we see two members is added here. One is the Ravi Verma. What is the role of that Ravi Verma in that family, and what is the role of the Rohit Verma in that family? Now what we will do, we will create a business account for them. So we'll click on the related accounts, new, and it is going to create account to account relationship. So we'll go to the account. Right now we don't have any business account, so we'll create new, and we'll click on the business, and we select like Verma household non-profit organization. Parent account is Verma household, and we just click on the save. What is the relationship? So this is the party role relationship record that you have to create. This can be like when you wanted to have some custom account to account relationship. So here you have to give the role name. So we will give some household, and give some name as a business. So it will be the relationship between household and the business. So based on the requirement you can create the party role relationship, and you can select whether it is contact to contact, whether it is account to account relationship. So we click on the save because we have already created. So we will not going to create this one. We will just select it from here, the household and the business relationship, because household is our account and their business is the related account. And how they should be visible in the hierarchy? So it will be the child, and we will click on the save. We have not made them active, so we will make them active, otherwise it will not be visible. So we click on the active, click on the save, and if you go to the Verma household, the family record, we see the related record visible here as a Verma household non-profit organization. So as a bank representative or banker, when someone comes to me and I can see his whole the family information, what are the business they are holding, what are the members in that family, what is the household details. So create, if you wanted to create the household detail, you have to go to again the app launcher, click on view all, type group. So you will see the option party relationship group. So what we are doing here, we are just connecting the account created with a particular group. So we click on the new, we will give the Verma household group, account is a Verma household, the category, the everyone is residing under the same group. When they started, we give some date, what is the group size, we can give the 10, what is the subtype, either they are nuclear family or extension household, or they are the 3-person family. So we will click on the extension household and we can put the address of that particular household here and click on the save. So once we save that, we will go to the Verma household again and we will go to the relationship, and in the relationship now you can see the Verma household information is also visible. So this layout can be changed. Before that, I will show you how you can drag and drop this ARC component to your account page layout. So if you scroll down, you can see the ARC Financial Services Cloud, the component is there, then ARC detail panel is there, then ARC highlight panel is there, and ARC relationship graph is there. So what is the difference between all of them? We will see it right now. So what we will do, we will just drag and drop the Financial Service Cloud one. This is the standard one, you can't update anything on it. You will just get the basic view here into horizontal mode, but right now no one is mostly using it. So we will go to the next one, which is ARC relationship graph. We click it here, we have to select the graph, so we will select the household relationship. So you can create your own graph. Let's say you wanted to display some custom object, you wanted to show some custom actions also in this graph, you can do it. So what you have to do, you have to create a new graph from here. So if you select the ARC sample one, then a different kind of information will be visible onto ARC graph. And what is the ARC details panel? So we'll click it here, and someone if click it on that particular household group, the information of that particular section will be displayed here. So it should be together if you wanted to display the information here. So we will click remove this and click on the save, go back. So now we created the ARC, the panel is here, everything is set up. Now if you wanted to see the details of Ravi Verma, what are the financial account he has hold. So if you go here in financial account, you will not see any information right now because we have not created any financial account for now. So what we will do, we will go to the financial account, we click on the new, we give some Ravi Verma saving account, we give some random number which will come from the core banking system integration, what is the type of that account and the active. Once we click on the save, still the Ravi Verma account will not be visible because we have not connected the financial account with the Ravi Verma person account. So to connect that, you have to create the record called financial account party, and you have to click on the new and you have to select the accounts. We will select the Ravi Verma account. When the Ravi Verma started this one, let's see, we give some date, what is the role of this financial account of the Ravi Verma, and we click on the save. Now if you go to the Ravi Verma's account, and if you go to the financial account, you can see that financial account is visible but balance is not visible. So now you will go back again to the financial account, and then you have to go to the balance, and here you have to create the balance. So typically you don't create it manually, it will come from the integration. Just for the demo purpose, I am showing how the balance will be visible to individuals or a person profile. So we click on the save balance, then we go back to the Ravi's Verma saving account, and then we go back to the Ravi Verma's person account, And if we go to the financial account, now we can see the total balance of Ravi Verma is visible. So this is what we have for today's video. Thank you so much.